Hey guys, this is Joey. Welcome to our channel. Today I will introduce the upright rack roll forming line. This line has the speed of 12 meters per minute. Upright rack can be made of raw materials like cold rolled steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, PPGI, and aluminum. In this line, there are a decoiler, a leveler, a punch press, a roll former, and the cutting machine. All machines are placed to keep the steel coil on a uniform centerline. There are many guiding rollers in order to reduce the direction error. This is a 5-ton hydraulic decoiler. We can use this press arm to press the steel coil, so it can provide workers safety during the steel coil replacement and uncoiling. So the steel coils used to produce upright rack are typically 2 to 3 mm thickness, so we need more leveling rollers. We set 4 up rollers and 5 lower rollers to this leveling machine to produce high quality upright rack. Then let's see the punch press. This is a Yangli brand punch press from China. It's a very famous and superior brand in China. It's a Yangli brand punch press from China. It's very famous and superior. It can provide local after-sales service in many countries around the world. It has a 125-ton punch press. You can see. And this is the servo feeder. With the servo motor, it can reach the precise and smooth processing for the steel coil. And we use this to make the steel coil move pneumatically. And then let's see the mold. Each size of the upright rack requires a size of a mold, and all molds can be customized. It's a very important device. We call it the limiter. It has 2 sensors up and down. When there are too many steel coils between the punch machine and the roll forming machine, the steel coils will touch the lower sensor. So the limiter will send the signal to the punch press to stop. So the punching speed and the forming speed will be synchronized. And then if the steel coils are too few, it will touch the upper sensor, and the limiter will send the signal to the roll forming machine to stop. So it can protect the rollers of the roll forming machine. It's a very important device. Let's see the roll forming machine. To roll form the 3 mm thickness steel coils effectively, we use the gearbox driving system to drive the rollers to rotate. And to produce the high quality upright rack, we recommend the cast iron structure. Its height and thickness also affect the ability of the roll forming machine. It will affect the machine operation. And in a total of 24 cast iron stations are set up to ensure the accuracy of roll forming. And then let's see the other side of the roll forming machine. We can change the bottom size of the upright rack with the automatic movement. You only need to input the size number in the control panel, and the stations this side, the 24 stations will move on the rails. It's very efficient and fast, and also very save time for our workers. And then let's see the cutting machine. Rack system is more than upright rack. If you are interested, please search in our YouTube channel or visit the website below this video for more information. We also welcome you to contact us. Our professional Linbay team is always at your service. See you next time.